Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new. I am Muphidaht and I'd like it if you click down below to subscribe to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to achieve this look. This is a look right here that you can...
Who's texting me? Who's texting me?
Sorry? Let's do this again. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new. I am Muphidaht and I'd like it if you click down below to subscribe to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to achieve this look. Very beginner friendly. You can absolutely wear this makeup everywhere. Of course, you can do it with or without lashes. This is a look that you can rock to a wedding, a party, to work if you're extra. So yeah. And I have completely named all the products that I have used down in the description box, so go ahead and look at that. You don't have to use the same exact products that I am using, but yeah, if you have products, you just have to follow my lead. So if you want to see how I achieve this look, like I said earlier, carry on watching. Let's just get right into it. Getting straight into it, I'm going to be priming my face, but first of all I have to moisturize my hella dry lips with the Victoria's Secret lip gloss. It's moisturizing, it's so moisturizing. So I'm priming my face with the Fenty Pro Filter primer. This primer has been on my channel for so long. You guys know that I've been using this primer because it's like my holy grail primer. I'll share other primers with you hopefully in another video, because a lot of you have been asking me how I keep my makeup staying all day. Now I'm going to set my primer with the Mercier translucent powder. I'm just going to push that into my skin with a damp beauty blender. I'm going in with a very full coverage foundation. I'm going in with two shades because I couldn't find my shade and I just like a mixture of these two shades. I would put the names of the shades down below, but this is the Maybelline Super Stay foundation. I think that's what it's called, and like it's like really full coverage. I just love the mixture of it. I think it's warm coconut and warm sand. I think, I actually don't know. I just look and put the name down in the description box. Now I am correcting my under eyes and the mustache area with the Juvia's Place I Am Magic concealer. This is an amazing concealer. I'm going in to blend it in with the Real Techniques blending brush. This is a setting brush, it's not a blending brush, but it blends my concealer very well. So I'm going to top that off with the Tarte Shape Tape concealer in the shade Tan Sand. I'm just going to put that all over the places that I would usually highlight, including my under eyes and my forehead, chin, nose, and all those spaces. So I'm just going to blend that out with the setting brush as well. Oh yeah, I forgot that I am going to be contouring with the black Opal stick foundation. You guys know this stick foundation is like so bomb, and I always use it in every video. So yeah, like I said, I'm blending it out, but today I'm blending my concealer out before I blend out the contour, because this concealer is matte AF, and if I let it dry, it's going to not move. It's going to stay just like that, and it's going to be cakey and muddy and all the bad things. So I have to blend it out before blending out my contour. Now I'm blending out my contour with a Real Techniques contour brush. I don't know what this brush is called, but I use it to blend my contour and it blends it very well. Over with the beauty blender, and now I am going to set my under eyes with the same powder I used earlier, which is the Mercier translucent powder. I'm just pushing that into my skin. Today I'm going to be baking, but I have to set my face first. You guys know the drill. If you don't, I'm going to link my foundation routine down in the description box. I was trying to do the brow thing people do on Instagram. It clearly didn't work out. So yeah, I am putting the powder underneath my eyes to serve as like a base to catch any fallout from the eyeshadow I'm going to be applying, and also to bake. And I'm super excited. I'm using the Aina palette for the very first time. I'm going in with the shade, oh, I actually don't know the shade of that one, but let me grab the palette and I'm just going to tell you guys the shade that I used. Okay, so that was Ginger. I'm putting that into my crease and my outer V, and I'm just blending it out with the Evita Joseph brush. Now I went in with the shade Edges. I'm putting that also on my outer V and just, you know, blowing it out to make it look like really nice. You guys are going to catch the vibe I'm trying to give. But this is a really simple eye look. Now I'm gonna go into the shade Soleil. I don't know how to pronounce it, but you know, I'm just putting that all over my lid. This is a really simple eye look, and you can rock it everywhere, guys. Like, there's no cut crease anywhere. Just literally just putting the things on your eyes, the colors in your eyes. Now I'm going in with the shade Credits, and now I'm putting that onto my outer V, just smoking it out to make it look, you know, really sophisticated and really, you know, like confusing and difficult. Confusing is not the word, but you know, make it look like complex, look like you did some serious cut crease, but it's really not that difficult. Now I'm going in with the same shade Credits. I'm just creating like a wing on my eye so that my eyelashes can, you know, settle on it, because I'm not going to be creating a wing. I said this was going to be a simple beginner friendly look. Now I just put some of the Zam on my, you know, finger and just topped it off with the, you know, Soleil that I pronounced. I'm sorry that I'm messing the names up, but you know, it's Zam. Yeah, Zam. I just put that all over my lid. Okay, so now I did the eyelash thing that people do on Instagram. Now I'm going in with the Fenty Beauty, you know, the Mocha Mami bronzer. I've been looking for this bronzer everywhere. My girl hooked me up, and I'm so happy I got this bronzer. It's really warm. I actually really like this shade. Now I'm just going over to contour my nose with that bronzer. As you guys saw, I didn't do the cream contouring on my nose because I wanted to see how bronzy this Mocha Mami is, because I've heard too many good things about it, and actually really turned out well. Now I'm going in with the Note Cosmetics Compact Powder. I'm just going to use that to set my entire face and brush off the excess powder. I'm just going in with a really puffy brush from Real Techniques. Now I'm going in with my baby girl Morphe continuous setting spray. I love this stuff, guys. It's amazing. I just, you know, bathe in it, literally. I know it's going to finish soon because I love that stuff too much. Now I'm just going to make this stuff dry up and go in with some blush. This blush is from LA Colors, super cheap, super affordable, and works really well. It's very subtle, peachy, goes with my skin tone. So if you're my skin tone or even a little lighter, it's going to look amazing on you. Now I'm going in with the Gold Deposit highlighter from MAC. Now this baby girl is just really amazing. I love how it applies on my skin. It's sheer and it's like it's melted. It looks like melted highlights. If you go in with this highlight and you set your face afterwards, my god, it looks like you were bathing in gold. I know I'm exaggerating, but I'm really hyped up. So yeah, I'm using my Vita Joseph highlighting brush to, you know, blend that out. Now I am lining my lips with a brown lip liner. This is a Davis Cosmetics lip liner. You can use any brown lip liner you have in your collection. Now this is going to make your lips look really snatched. I'm just overlining my lower lip. I'm going in with the NYX Lip Cream in the shade London. This looks exactly like my natural lip color. I actually really love it. You can actually switch lip colors if you want to make this look really sophisticated and really bold. You can use a red or a dark brown lip liner, a dark brown liquid lip to make it look really, you know, exaggerated, I think. Now I'm going in with some lip gloss. This was the lip gloss I moisturized my lips with earlier, and you know, it's going to make your lips look really pouty. Yeah, so I applied some mascara earlier there. Sorry I didn't mention that. I think I'm done with this look. Now I'm going to be applying my hijab, and now this is the finished look. So yeah, I'll see you guys at the end of the video. So we finally come to the end of the tutorial. This is the look right here. Like I said earlier in the beginning, I have listed every product I used down below in the description box. Excuse the chicken, it's been disturbing outside for so long and I've decided to ignore it. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I hope you learned something. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. I will see you guys in my next tutorial. Bye guys.